Have you ever pondered over the fascinating world of three-dimensional printing? This magical technology that turns digital models into tangible objects layer by layer can indeed be mind-boggling. Today, we delve into the realm of 3D printing and unravel some intriguing facts you might not have known. Fact 1. 3D printing isn't a novel phenomenon. Many believe it's a product of the 21st century, but it dates back to the 1980s. Chuck Hull, known as the father of 3D printing, invented the first 3D printing process known as stereolithography in 1984. Fact 2. 3D printers can print 3D printers. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But it's true. Certain parts of a 3D printer can be manufactured by another 3D printer, a concept known as self-replication. Fact 3. The applications of 3D printing are vast and varied. From fashion and food to medical and aerospace industries, 3D printing technology is revolutionizing how we create and produce things. Did you know that 3D printers have even been used to create an entire house? Fact 4. 3D printing can save lives. In the medical field, 3D printing is used to create custom prosthetics, dental implants, and even synthetic skin for burn victims. This technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. Fact 5. The smallest 3D printed object is a microscopic sculpture of a castle that's smaller than a grain of sand. This was achieved using a revolutionary 3D printing technique known as two-photon lithography. Fact 6. 3D printing is environmentally friendly. It produces less waste than traditional manufacturing methods, as it only uses the material necessary to create the object. Plus, many 3D printers use a type of plastic that's recyclable or biodegradable. Fact 7. 3D printing in space? Yes, you heard it right. NASA has been experimenting with 3D printing in zero gravity, aiming to create parts for the International Space Station and potentially for future space missions. To wrap up, 3D printing is not just a futuristic concept but a present reality, with roots that trace back to the mid-80s. 3D printers can indeed print parts of other 3D printers, demonstrating an ability to self-replicate. The applications of 3D printing span across various industries, including fashion, food, medical, and aerospace, and have even been utilized for large projects, such as building a house. Further, 3D printing has a significant impact on the medical field, aiding in the creation of custom prosthetics, dental implants, and synthetic skin. The smallest 3D printed object is a microscopic castle, and the process of 3D printing is generally environmentally friendly, producing less waste than traditional manufacturing methods. Lastly, the reach of 3D printing extends beyond Earth, with experiments conducted in space. This fascinating world of 3D printing is full of surprises, and surely there's more to come. As the technology evolves, who knows what other intriguing facts we'll discover about 3D printing in the future.